In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Discovery Plus application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem, make sure that your device is connected to a secure internet connection. Swipe down on a control center and tap on Wi-Fi to connect to a network. And if your device is connected to a network, and if your device is connected to an internet connection, but you are still facing and if your device is connected to a network but you're still facing any other kinds of problem with the application, you can simply go to your settings and you want to scroll down and click on General. Click on iPhone Storage and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Discovery Plus application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there is still some problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.